Good evening, dear student. So today once again we are again live or making one video. Today's video is for your periodic one exam date sheet analyze. Okay, we will analyze date sheet and also I will share you strategy for exams also today. So first of all, as you know, we will only examine your exams of class 5th. Okay, so tomorrow is Thursday and 16th of July. So on 16th of July your first exam is of GK. Okay, GK general knowledge. So uh, you will get one period for revision tomorrow before exam start. Okay, then in second period your exam will start tomorrow from second period to till your lunch time. So you will get almost 90 minutes for your exam and it will be of 20 marks. So how you will do your exam, just first of all remember that in GK general knowledge you should know the current affairs of your book. Chapters which are given in your book 1 2 3 as syllabus is already given to you. Revise these chapters very carefully, and with these chapters you will also learn the current special persons of India, just like PM and President and FM Finance Minister, and you are living in UP Uttar Pradesh, so which who is the Chief Minister of UP, also the names of these personalities. So also just revise these names, as you already know Chief Minister is Adityanath Yogi and PM is Shri Narendra Modi. So kindly search these personalities on net, current personalities. These will also come in your GK paper. Okay, PA-01, and these marks will be added in your final examination or in your result. Okay, these marks will be added in your final report card. So do these very carefully. Revise these things very carefully. Now I am telling you which is your second paper. Second paper is on Friday and that is of drawing, and after that on 18th July it is of computer. After that maths is on 20 Monday. We will take one session of a revision in one shot of a three chapter on Sunday. So we will revise all the three chapters on Sunday because your maths paper is on Monday. So we will see it after some day. Now on Tuesday your paper is of English, and after that on Wednesday your paper is of SST Social Studies, and after that on Thursday it is of Science, and on 24th July your last PF1 exam is Hindi. Okay, so be prepared for these all the exams, and I would like to tell you one more thing. It is that kindly keep some extra stationery in your box, so that if there will be any unavailability in your exam or you missed any of the stationery, so you will at once get the other stationery. You will not need to ask anybody for that. So keep these stationeries and all the required material in your bag or in your box. Okay, also kindly bring your GK book and notebook for revision for tomorrow. You will get one first period for revision tomorrow. Okay, and we have shared the roll number list in a group. You can see your name there with the roll number. Okay, so you will write that roll number in your answer sheet tomorrow, and you will write all the thing in a neat and clean way, and your handwriting should be neat and clean on a answer sheet. You will get writing marks also, 1 or 2 marks. If you will write in a neat and clean writing, you will get extra marks. Also, don't panic during exam. Kindly read question first very carefully and then try answer. If you don't know any answer, or if you have forgotten any answer during your exam, so leave it for some time and do it after in a last, so that whenever you will know that answer, you can do it after in a last. Okay, so don't panic in an exam, do everything very carefully. So in this way, be prepared. This is your list, because you are in a fifth class and I am your class teacher. That's why we are just analyzing class fifth. Okay, and if you still have any problem related to syllabus or related to any exam, you can ask me in a comment box. Okay, so be prepared for GK exam tomorrow. So thank you very much. Today we are not making maths video, because you will revise your GK for tomorrow. So thank you so much for joining me, and good luck for your tomorrow exam. So thank you for joining me.